Hi there, welcome to English Loud. Today we're talking about something that many of you have asked. How do you choose the right English tutorial channel? There are so many options out there and it can get overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got some tips to help you pick the perfect channel for your learning needs. Well, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what are my goals? Are you looking to improve your speaking skills, listening, vocabulary, maybe grammar? Different channels focus on different areas. If you're looking to improve conversational skills, for example, you'll want a channel that focuses on real life dialogues, not just grammar lessons. Some channels are great for beginners, others are great or better for intermediate or advanced learners. So figure out what you need right now. It's okay if that changes over time. You can always switch or follow multiple channels. Next, check the quality of the content. Does the channel offer clear explanation? Are the lessons engaging? Do the teachers speak clearly and at a pace you can follow? A good English channel should also be consistent in posting content. You don't want to follow a channel that only uploads once every few months. Look for channels that provides regular content so you can stay on track with your learning. Also pay attention to subtitles. Many good channels offer accurate subtitles which can help you understand the lesson better and follow along if you're struggling with pronunciation or new vocabulary. Now let's talk about learning style. We all learn differently. Some people prefer more structure, textbook style lessons, while others like a more relaxed, conversational approach, and so on. Look for a channel that matches your learning style. If you enjoy interactive lessons, find channels that encourage participation, like those that ask you to repeat phrases or answer questions during the video. And don't be afraid to try out a few different channels to see what works best for you. Another thing to consider is the community and engagement the channel offers. Does the creator respond to comments or offer extra practice materials? Do they engage with their viewers? Having a strong community can help you stay motivated and get extra support when you need it. Some channels even offer live lessons or Q&A sessions, which are great for asking questions in real time. So in summary, define your goals, look for quality content, find a content that matches your learning style, and see if the community feels right for you. And don't forget, it's okay to follow for more than one channel. Each channel may offer something different that can help you over English learning journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to English Loud for more tips and lessons on mastering the English language. See you next time.